Professor Peerless here. Today we're going to talk about how to set up and operate your ventless electric pizza oven by Peerless. When you get your oven, you're going to unpack it, of course. Follow the directions that you'll see in the manual. If you have a single oven with a stand, which is how we're showing it here, you're going to go ahead and want to put your oven on your stand or your counter. If you have a double stack, you're going to want to double stack your oven. But most importantly is that when we send these out from the factory, we pre-stack them. There'll be brackets on the side of the ovens in the front and in the back. Unload and put your ventless hood on top of your oven and connect it. When you do the electrical, single ovens, it wires from the wall to the hood and from the hood to the oven. It's also been pre-wired, and the Romex and the wire is included in your installation. When you go to fire up your hood, you go to the back, turn on the toggle, the hood should come on. If the hood does not come on, your oven will not fire up. Part of the ventless is that the hood must operate before the oven will operate. So once your hood is running, you can come to your oven and turn your toggle on, read your instructions on how to operate an electric oven. If it doesn't operate correctly, we're going to discuss that in the next video, and that's your lesson for today.